Hello friends, and in this video we are going to do a comparative analysis between HDFC Focus 30 Fund and ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. And we will cover this entire analysis in 5 steps based on 5 parameters: risk, returns, ratings, expense ratio and portfolio analysis. So let's start with the portfolio analysis. First we will see the market cap allocation of both these focus fund, and here we can clearly see that HDFC Focus 30 Fund is more diversified in large cap, mid cap and small cap category than the ICICI Prudential Focused Equity Fund. And after the market cap allocation, let's look into the portfolio overlapping between these two funds. And here we can see that HDFC Focus 30 Fund overlaps 52.33% portfolio of ICICI, whereas ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund overlaps 47.49% portfolio of HDFC Focus 30 Fund. And now let's dive deep into the portfolio of these two focus funds and see the valuations and quality of stocks in the portfolio of these two focus funds. In terms of portfolio valuation, HDFC Focus 30 Fund has 34.26% of fairly valued stocks, 18.69% of undervalued stocks and 35.5% of overvalued stocks. And in ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund, 32.19% stocks are fairly valued, 12% are undervalued and 50.24% are overvalued. And if we combine the fairly valued and undervalued stocks of HDFC Focus 30 Fund, then the total value is 52.95%. Whereas in ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund, the value of this combination is just 45.12%. So in terms of valuations, HDFC is better than ICICI. Now let's look at the quality of stocks in their portfolio. In terms of quality of stocks, in HDFC Focus Fund, 17 stocks are strong and 12 are neutral, whereas in ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund, 18 stocks are strong, 10 are neutral and 1 is weak. So again, in terms of quality of stocks also, HDFC Focus 30 Fund is better than ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. But is this enough? No, we need to analyze it further, and for that we will analyze next the return analysis of both these focus funds. And first we will see the trailing returns of both these focus funds, and here we can clearly see that 4 out of 5 times HDFC Focus Fund has done better than ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. But as we know, the trailing year returns cannot give you a clear picture, and for that we will dive deeper and look into the calendar year returns of both these focus funds. And here in this annual returns or the calendar year return chart, we can clearly see that 6 out of 10 times HDFC Focus Fund has done better than ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. But both these parameters of return analysis is based on a specific time period. To overcome this limitation, let's look into the rolling returns of both these focus funds. And in this chart of rolling returns, out of 3 times, 2 times ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund has done better than HDFC Focus 30 Fund. And to check the consistency of return further, we will analyze the monthly SIP return of both of these focus funds. And in this chart of SIP returns, 5 out of 5 times HDFC Focus 30 Fund has done better than ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. So in return analysis also, HDFC Focus 30 Fund has done better than ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund. But is this enough? No. We will look into the risk analysis of both of this focus fund and analyze which fund is giving more risk adjusted return than the other. In standard deviation, ICICI Prudential is better than HDFC since the standard deviation of ICICI is lesser than the HDFC. In beta, again the ICICI is better than HDFC. Again the beta of ICICI is lesser than the HDFC. But in case of Sharpe ratio, HDFC is doing better than ICICI since the value of Sharpe ratio is better in HDFC Focus 30 Fund. And in terms of alpha, which tells us how much excess return the fund has generated over its benchmark, and here HDFC is again doing better than ICICI. So in risk analysis, it is clear that ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund is less riskier than HDFC Focus 30 Fund. But in case of risk adjusted returns, HDFC is better than the ICICI. And next we will see the ratings of both of these focus funds given by CRISIL, Value Research and Morningstar. And in this chart we can clearly see that all the rating agencies has given similar ratings to both of these funds. And moving to the final and the 5th parameter, that is the expense ratios of both these focus funds. And here we will compare the past 10 years expense ratio of direct plan of both these focus funds. And in this chart of expense ratio, we can clearly see that 7 out of 10 times the expense ratio of ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund was lesser than the HDFC Focus 30 Fund. So with this overall analysis, it is clear that although ICICI Prudential Focus Equity Fund is better in terms of risk, but in terms of returns and portfolio, HDFC is a better option. I hope you find this video helpful in choosing the right mutual fund for your portfolio. If you like this video, do press the like button, and if you are new on this channel, consider subscribing this channel and press the bell notification for upcoming videos. And one more thing, if you want to invest in mutual fund, do invest in the direct plan of the mutual fund. And to invest in direct plan of mutual fund, log into Angel One app, click on the mutual fund icon in the dashboard and click on the search icon in the right top hand side corner and enter the mutual fund name here, and after that select the right mutual fund scheme, and after your analysis press the invest button to invest in this mutual fund and enter the lump sum or SIP amount, and then make payment by your linked bank account via net banking, UPI or Google Pay, and your mutual fund order is executed.